guys, I know I'm not the only one that put box braids in their hair this summer, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I do to make sure my natural hair stays moisturized underneath this protective style. I get my spray bottle, of course, and I'm going to go ahead and use my TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. Now, you don't have to use a leave-in conditioner. You can honestly use any type of cream or butter that you will like. So I'm going ahead and squeezing it in there literally just like this. And then after I'm done, obviously put the top on, and then I will shake it up. Shake that bad boy really good. I'm not putting oil in here, and you'll see why, but I'm just going to shake it up like this and then start spraying. Now, I'm not going to spray my scalp. I'm literally just focusing on my ends mostly because obviously we do not need dead ends and we want to prevent breakage. So that's what I'm doing. I'm focusing all my attention on my ends and my hair, not my scalp. I do my scalp differently. If you would like to see a video of that, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely show you how I treat my scalp. I'm most likely going to show you guys anyway, whether you ask for it or not. But I am going ahead and focusing and rubbing it in. Now, I want it as damp as possible. It's not no light spray. It's not like, oh, is it wet? Is it not? Is it dry? I don't know. No, I am drenching my hair in this because I have very coily hair and it takes my hair a long time to even soak up anything. So I want to make sure I get enough for it to suck up. I'm going to be real. I have not been doing this method for years on years on years. Like, that has not been me. I've honestly just started doing this because I noticed that when I did take out my protective hair, I will have so much breakage and dead hair. Now, obviously, when you take your hair out of a protective style that's been in for months, dead hair and clumps is normal. However, I felt like I was losing way more hair than I should, and that was because I was not still taking care of it while I put it in my protective styles. Honestly, when I put it in protective styles, I was like, ooh, I don't have to think about it. And that is not true. Yes, you still have to think about it. Your hair still gets dry. It still breaks off, whether you have weave-in in it or not. And I had to learn the hard way. But ever since doing this method, when my hair is in a protective style, I definitely see a difference. And of course, I'm going to record myself taking it down so you can see. I do not have a before, but I definitely have an after. And I definitely plan on filming to show you guys the difference of how much hair you will lose in a protective style if you do or don't take care of it. Okay, so now it's time to whip out your favorite oil. I'm here reading the label of my oil because I've had it for a while, but it was good. So I'm showing you guys my coconut oil that I use. Now, it is not my first option, but it is my second option. There's a lot of mixed reviews on using coconut oil on your hair. However, it does great by me, so I stick with it. So I go ahead and rub it in my hands to melt it and then start rubbing it in my hair. Obviously, just sticking towards the ends. I sprayed water and used leave-in conditioner. Now you want an oil to seal all that in your hair. Now, since it is in a protective style, you're going to need a lot because you want to break through the weave that you have in your hair to reach your actual hair that's within inside. So that's what I'm doing. Trust me, I'm using a lot more. A little side note, I am also filming a TikTok and Reels while making this YouTube video. Your girl is getting good at this, okay? Multitasking is becoming my thing because I am really trying to commit to all three platforms: TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. YouTube being number one, of course. You guys are amazing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. My hair is so shiny. Like, look at this. I love it. I love that my hair is shiny. I love that it smells good. And I love knowing that it is not dry underneath all this and I'm still trying to take care of it. And I hope you guys try this method. Obviously, I'm feeling myself a little bit because it seems like I got fresh hair. But thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.